The Miracle Part 2. So students, in our first video, we came to know that Charlie was a chocolate lover boy who purchased the chocolate of Whipple Scrumptious Fudgemello Delights from a chocolate shop. One, he ate it happily, and other one, he unwrapped the chocolate. He found a golden ticket inside the chocolate wrapper. Let us see what happened the next. So let us start from page number 61. All of you open page number 61. So let us continue. All of a sudden there was a huge crowd of about 20 people clustering, means gathering around Charlie, and everybody was excited to see the golden ticket and the lucky boy Charlie. They did not know how the ticket looks like. They have all eager to see the signness of the golden ticket. Somebody was shouting from the crowd to see them the ticket, how it looked like, and all they were crowded around the Charlie and the golden ticket. Now the next paragraph. And from the crowd, a large boy shouted angrily. How did he manage to find the golden ticket? He purchased 20 chocolates every day, and this he was doing since weeks and weeks, and every week he bought many chocolates and to get that golden ticket. But so he became very angry with Charlie. How he got that golden ticket? And another boy from the crowd shouted in anxious way. Yes, he was the lucky boy and he would get lifelong supply of chocolates of Whipple Scrumptious Fudgemello Delight. And a girl from a car crowd comment to Charlie, yes, definitely this boy need that chocolate, as he seems to be the skinny little scrimp, means looks physically weak person, so he need that chocolate so that his health he gain it. Now the next paragraph. You know, we have lot of excitement when we are happy. At that time our mind became blank and we don't know what to do. Charlie also didn't know what to do. He was just standing there. He had not still now unwrapping the golden ticket from around the chocolate bar. He was just standing in one place, holding the chocolate tight with both hands, and people around him making lot of noise and pushing to each other to see the golden ticket and the lucky boy. And Charlie was very much confused and he didn't know what to do. As he got the ticket, he was floating in the air like a balloon, means very enthusiastic and very happy. He felt that his feet were on the air, not in the land. He was just floating. He was just flying in the sky, and he also realized that his heart was beating very loud. Now the next paragraph, students. Now one of the tall men from the crowd put his hands lightly on Charlie's shoulder and offered him that he would give £50 and a new bicycle instead of that ticket. He wanted to purchase the ticket from Charlie. Now one more woman who was standing there shouted upon the tall man and said, are you crazy? I will give him £200 for the golden ticket. And he was asking to Charlie whether he was interested to sell that ticket in £200. Now the next paragraph. At that time, the shopkeeper shouted upon the crowd that don't try to cheat the boy, and he was trying to escape Charlie from the crowd by making a way and said, leave the kid now, don't disturb him, let him go. This shows that the shopkeeper was really a good man. He was not a greedy man, but he was happy that the boy got the golden ticket from his shop and gave him instruction not to give that golden ticket to anybody, and straightly and quickly made him ready to away to his make away to his home before he lost that golden ticket, and told him to run to his house without stopping all the way. Charlie again nodded his head. Now the next paragraph, next page, page number 62. Now the shopkeeper, who was happy and a good person, smiled at Charlie and wished him good luck. And Charlie also said thanks to the shopkeeper and straightly went away towards his home, running very fast. On the way, he saw the Mr. Willy Wonka's chocolate factory. While running, he turned his head and waved his hand and sang out happily that he would be there very soon. And within 5 minutes, he arrived at his own house. So, students, this is the end of the story. I hope all of you have enjoyed the story. Please read the story and try to understand it. I will send you the question answers in your WhatsApp. So stay safe, stay at home, be goodbye, have a nice day.